Hi, this video how install drum filter example. Yeah, this is drum filter 25 kuba, but his install similar 35 same. Yeah, this is two pipe water must become inside. Yeah, later he clean and back filter here. This water clean already go out. Yeah, this only this. And this pipe for dirty. When mesh clean, all dirty come here, go out. This example, yeah. This pipe for dirty water, he go out. Two pipe go inside, he clean, yeah, and go to next filter. Or go out. Yeah, okay. Only this. Yeah, very easy. Yeah, and pump, this pump for clean mesh. He come to nozzles. Yeah, okay, this all. Thank you.